Do this vaccine is code Tantrum, slam code on mom's hand, picking a finger by all Shoutout mushrooms. Like, the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this vaccine in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
I'll put that on YouTube.
All right, pull up. Come on, pull. Hey, keep going. Pull. All right, we're trying to pull up the Christmas tree.
Oh my gosh.
Keep pulling.
Dad, help.
I am preventing it from sliding down the stairs.
Hold on. You like ripped off my skin. I'm back.
Yeah.
So this might take the entire video. Trying to get this up the stairs. There we go.
I don't want to do this.
We're doing it. We're doing it.
But we don't want to.
It's not even December.
Leanna's in the bag and she's gonna. Oh gosh. You see that, London?
Yeah.
Wow.
What about this?
Christmas.
This is a lot of work.
Yeah. Let me help.
Oh, the cat. Don't squish your fingers. Oh, again. Every time.
Every time.
Fluffy, fluffy.
That's not where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go up.
Really?
Oh, God.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Hey, why are these all twist and turn? Is this supposed to do that?
Oh,
I'm gonna grab steps.
hate Christmas. Marvel. Oh my God, he's inside the tree.
Well, I see him. He just
Get out of the tree, silly cat. All right, London, go ahead and plug it in.
Get down.
Whoa, yay, look at all that. Dang it. All right, guys, what's up? So we finally got the stupid Christmas tree up. God, freaking fingers, pinching my fingers every time. So are you guys excited for Christmas or the holidays? Tell us down in the comments. All right, guys, so tonight we are going to do our yearly annual drive-in to go see some Christmas lights. Lena, come on, let's go now. Liana, come on. We are doing this. We are doing this as a family. We are going to go see lights. We are going to go see Christmas lights. You're not going to stay home. We're not going to... every year, just get in the van. Oh. We're going to just stop laughing. Get in the van. All right, everyone just get in the van.
Everyone is, you idiot. You blind.
All right.
Is that where we're
We're going to go see Christmas lights, all right? So sit down, be quiet. So we got so annoyed with trying to get rid of this dirt, we ended up just having them dump it across the street at the neighbor's house. Like, I don't know, let them deal with it, because I don't know. I'm tired of looking at dirt. Just so much dirt.
Oh!
Right, guys, so it's going to take about an hour to get there. So I'm going to take this time to thank you guys for 630,000 subscribers. So thank you guys very much. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe. Okay, stop fighting back there. All right, so we're getting close. Windshield's a little dirty, but there it is right there. There it is. There it is, you guys. So we do this every year. Welcome to the Christmas colors or whatever it's called.
Current colors.
Yeah, okay. Well, we get to bypass the line because we are VIP, guys. So see, there was a line there. We got to bypass all of this. And we get to go to the very front. Look at that. Well, so that's where everyone goes. But we're going around this way. I'm not sure where we're going. I've never been a VIP before, so this is going to be interesting.
VIP.
Wow. Wow.
Wow, cool.
This is going to be the light show, you guys. See, everyone else is lining up right there. All right, are you guys ready to do this? Hey, put down your electronics. All right, so here's the entrance right here, you guys. Whoa, look at that. Hey, stop fighting back there. Here's some more goodies. Light up nose. This is all part of the VIP package. Ooh, car freshener. Okay.
We got candy.
Candy. Whoa. Wow, look at all these lights.
Oh,
Hey,
cool.
okay. What? Okay. Stop. Okay. Just share it. Just share it. Hey, stop. Hey, what's up? I'm with Leland. We're checking out the lights. Christmas lights. It smells good out here.
It smells like
Oh no, something. Someone's grilling something out here. What is going on? What? Okay, now it's working. You're welcome. Ow, don't hit me.
Oh, cool.
Are you serious? This is awesome. This is fun. You don't want to be here?
Oh, cool. Wow. Oh, that's a big present. Oh. Wow.
Leanna, stop.
Okay, fine. Good to you.
Hey, stop. Stop.
Oh, my beanie.
Are you having fun? Look at all the swag you got. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I like the swag.
Are you having fun?
Swag. She got glasses, she got the nose, she got the necklace.
Leanna, you gotta be grateful for this. This is fun. We can spend time as a family.
I don't want to spend time with this one. Whoa.
Come on, it's almost Christmas. Well, what'd you guys think? That was pretty cool, huh? Come on, Leanna, you had to enjoy that.
No, not one.
Yes, that's a buzzkill.
It's such a buzz.
We're just getting out. Carol, I don't think Leanna enjoyed it. She kept complaining the entire time.
Well, I can't do anything about that.
Try to do something nice for the kids. Hey, there's my old high school. That's Daddy's school. That's where I went to school, you guys. Home of the miners. Go miners.
Are you mining Bitcoin?
Guys, these are the
Mining
apartments that
Bitcoin.
Mom and Dad first met each other when we first got married and all that. We used to live at this apartment right here before we had kids. Wow, look at that tree. That's cool.
Oh, we're driving over everything.
Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. There was some kind of a car, like it just barely happened.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna drive by our old house. Let's see if they have any Christmas. They got some Christmas decorations. Straight ahead.
Wow.
All right, guys. So this is our old house. For those of you who have watched us all these years. Whoa. There's a Santa on the roof. What the crap?
London, look, it's our old house. I like the trees.
Wow, look at that.
Oh,
That's cool. All right, so we are at In-N-Out. Very long drive through. We're gonna grab In-N-Out. We haven't had In-N-Out in a long time.
like years.
Years. And you guys see that building there with the flashing lights? That's where Toys R Us used to be.
What do you want? You just get.
I just got like the double.
No. Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you for
I need to get a number 2.
In-N-Out. We haven't had In-N-Out since San Diego, you guys. Like, it's been over a year.
Since the dentist.
Well, since I've had In-N-Out, I guess. You can see them making the food. It's entertaining. Alright, what next? Alright, got the fries.
So here's for the kids.
Okay. There you guys go. Thank you. Oh, look at all that. All these burgers. Alright guys, we're having In-N-Out in the dark. It's been so long. Oh man. Been too long.
Been so long since we've had In-N-Out in the dark.
Alright, you guys see that building there? Flashing
In the
lights?
dark.
Now that we're closer. That's where Toys R Us used to be. Used to be right down there. And then they built a big old office building there in its place. I swear that's a flying Christmas tree up there.
Really?
Look at that.
A flying payment too.
Right there, guys.
See it, Linda?
Look at that. That is a flying Christmas tree. Like, what the crap?
Look
Right
out,
above all these.
Look towards mommy.
Right there, London. You see the flying Christmas tree?
Do you see it?
It's really on top of a hill, but it looks like it's flying. There's our house with our Christmas lights on. Look at that, you guys. We finally got our Christmas lights up.
Yep.
Looks beautiful. Oh yeah. Hey, what's going on back there now? Oh, just behave. Alright, I'm done, guys. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. I don't know what Kyle's doing. She keeps pulling in and out of the garage. Home sweet home, guys. Did a lot of driving.
But me?
I don't want to fight you.
You look like a trucker with that. Is that all tucked in?
You look like a trucker.
Oh, Leanna, what are you doing now? Ow, calm down. Hey, you should be grateful. That was a fun family trip. We tried to do something nice as a family. Leanna, what is up with the attitude? Oh, Leanna! Oh! Leanna, you just slammed your mom's hand in the door. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh. God. This has happened. I felt like this has happened before.
Yeah.
Alright, hey guys.
I cannot believe it, Leanna.
Guys,
Not ever slam the door when you're
my dad's chewing Leanna's ass out.
You might have broken her fingers.
Let's see what it looks like in 3D.
You gotta fix your attitude. I am tired of this
Whoa, this is what Dad looks like in 3D. Like, weird, trippy. It looks like I'm high.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing with my phone? Give me back my phone.
Look how cool.
What are you doing?
Look how cool this looks.
Quit messing around.
Look how cool that looks.
Give me back my phone. Alright guys, we're doing our annual Christmas cards. If you guys send us a Christmas card, we'll send one back in return.
And also, guys,
So here we are, getting ready to sign a whole bunch of Christmas cards.
we have one card here that means you're lucky. It says, it'll say, you're the lucky winner of this chicken dinner.
Okay.
If you get that,
Leland's
there's
signing
only one that
I
says
got
that. So if you get that, you're
I got
so
a very thick
So
thing
we're
of
getting
this.
them ready. So if you guys want a Christmas card from us, be sure to send us a Christmas card. We'll have the address down in the description. And then we'll send you guys a Christmas card in return. We've done this a couple of years now. This is our 3rd year doing it. We enjoy doing it. It's a lot of fun.
I know how famous.
We usually get like 400
sports
cards from
people
you.
So
feel.
here's the deal. Make sure your name and address are clearly, written so I can write your
Right?
address.
Please write a return address.
And then also, we have to have your card by New Year's Day.
Yep.
That's our
the
cutoff
deadline.
time.
That's the cutoff time.
Yeah.
So this is what we have so far. I still got to sign them in London, and Leanna has a whole bunch.
Yeah, I have a
She's working
stack.
on. All right.
We signed all of those cards.
So here's the real card right here. So Leland wrote, Leland, I am better than Leanna. And then I wrote, no, you're not. So whoever gets this card, let me know in the comments.
Yeah,
Whoever gets this
And
card.
let me know.
Because that's the only one we've done that for. The rest of them are just normal.
And then there's the chicken dinner one.
Alright guys, it's that time of year again. I'm hanging up the Christmas cards, and this is what we got from you guys so far. Starting with this one over here from Kenny, from Catherine, Andy, Bernard, Adam, Jeff, and Netta, Amanda, Jonathan, Jeremy, and Larry, Teresa, and Mary. So these are our first official Christmas cards, guys. And then we got some more down here. Sorry about your cat, Teresa. So if you guys want to send us a Christmas card, we'll have it hanging up in our hallway. You might be lucky enough to have yours above Leland's door. We'll have the address down in the description. We do this every year, guys, and it's a lot of fun. So we still got a lot of empty spots up here, plenty of room. Alright guys, so I'm about ready to close out this video, but I gotta go pick up London from preschool. Okay.
You need the phone. I gotta do the captain shout outs.
Oh yeah. Are you okay? How's your hand?
It's barely hanging on.
Barely hanging on.
I know, I think my fingers are gonna fall off.
Leanna! You're in big trouble, mister.
Yeah. So we've got our captain shout outs we've got to do, guys. And if you want to shout out, you can just join our mushroom army. Oh my God, move the phone over here. We're just making dinner right now. So join the mushroom army. If you want to hear your name shouted out next month. So we want to say a special thank you to Evelyn Kano, to Stupid Guanamote, to Jordan the Vonder 2002, Andrew Wilson, to Kirby 35, Aiden Jack, Jordan 21 Studios, Jalen Watcher Blueford, Matthew Does Daily, Bearkit Detzer, S. Kent, Cowabunga Simpson, Adam Clark, Tramboy, Thomas Palmer, John Markham, Eli Cooper. Also, we want to say thank you for the game that you sent, Eli. We really appreciate that. And to James Bates. So, yeah, thank you guys. And don't forget, in addition to getting the shout outs, you also get to do live videos with us once a month. So join the mushroom army. Let's see our house dinner. Looking good.
That looks like crap, Kill. Alright. Thanks for watching. Remember, our videos are skits. Leanna didn't really slam the door in her mom's hand. More of the story. Don't ever slam a door in anybody's hand. Your parents, siblings, whoever. What? And anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe And remember to send us a Christmas card if you guys want a Christmas card in return. And check out this video here. And that is it. See you guys next time.
There was good tantrum, slump quarter on mom's end, backing our finger by all sea chicken mushrooms. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And double like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified when I upload. No matter.